Hello students, in this video we are going to look at the vital role blogs can play in your life. What are blogs? Do we need blogs? All of these are some of the things that we are going to look at. Let's start with what are blogs first. Let's get a good understanding of blogs as such. Blogs are online platforms where individuals or organizations can publish content in a chronological order, typically in a reverse chronological format, with the most recent post appearing first. Blogs can cover a wide range of topics, including personal experiences, hobbies, professional expertise, news, reviews, and more. Blogs are written by individuals, businessmen, even communities have blogs. And why are they important? You might wonder. Blogs provide a powerful medium for individuals to express themselves, share their thoughts, experiences, and ideas with not just one or two, but it can be addressed to a global audience. It allows people to communicate their perspectives, opinions, and stories in a very personal and conversational manner. Content creation and knowledge sharing is widely spoken of today. Blogs are a valuable platform for this, for sharing knowledge, expertise, and information on a variety of topics. Whether it's a personal blog sharing tips or tricks, ideas or suggestions, or a professional blog industry pro- providing industry insights, or even news blog reporting on current events, blogs are a repository of valuable content. Blogs also facilitate interaction and engagement with readers through comments, likes, and social media shares. They provide a space for like-minded individuals to connect, share their views, engage in discussions around specific topics. You can create a community in itself, an engaged community, and you can share ideas and thoughts that can help each other. Blogs also foster a sense of independence, and it can alleviate loneliness because you're part of a community. And this helps build relationships between the author and the audience. And blogging can also help individuals or even businesses establish themselves as experts or create thought leaders in respective fields. You create a reputation for yourself, and regularly publishing high quality content can showcase your expertise, your knowledge, and your insight. And how will this help you? It enhances your credibility, your trustworthiness, and your reputation among readers and potential customers. Blogs can also significantly contribute to search engine optimization, SEO. We hear people talking about SEO. So, blogs can directly help you by connecting with search engine optimization efforts. By creating relevant and optimized content, blogs have the potential to rank high in such search engine page results. And it can also attract organic traffic to your website. And this increased visibility can lead to more exposure, brand awareness, and thus create potential business opportunities. So that's just one step away from monetization. How does one monetize your thoughts and ideas? Through blogs. Yes, bloggers can monetize their content through various means. Advertising, shared posts, affiliate marketing, and even by offering products or services that are directly relevant to your audience. Because if you're a trustworthy, credible source, people tend to believe what you talk about and what you advertise. So, yeah, that is how you could monetize your blog. Blogs can also be very fulfilling in your personal or professional pursuit. It helps improve your writing skills. It, you know, uh, helps your creativity, critical thinking, and also the ability to, you learn to, the more you use it, the more you learn to effectively articulate your ideas. Also, maintaining a blog can provide a space for self-reflection, personal growth, and it is also a means to document your process, your progress, and your achievements. Blogs thus play a crucial role in communication, knowledge sharing, community building, and establishing credibility. They offer numerous opportunities for individuals and businesses to establish themselves, express themselves, and connect with others, and leverage their expertise for personal, professional, and even financial growth. We're also going to look at how blogs can help in personal branding. Blogs can be a powerful tool for personal branding and professional growth. So, how does one go about that? Um, by establishing, by consistently establishing expertise and authority, by publishing valuable and insightful content related to your field or area of expertise. You begin to position yourself as an authority in that domain. And this helps build trust and credibility among your readers, colleagues, and potential employers or clients. Blogs provide a platform to demonstrate your skills, knowledge, and experience. You can share case studies, industry insights, tutorials, thought leadership pieces to showcase your expertise and differentiate yourselves from others in your field. Through your blog, you can connect with like-minded individuals or industry professionals and potential collaborators. Engaging with your readers and other bloggers can lead to networking opportunities, collaborations on projects, and even invitations for speaking engagements and interviews. A well-maintained blog serves as a central hub for your personal brand and online presence. It allows you to showcase your unique personality, values, and perspectives, helping you stand out from the crowd and attract opportunities aligned with your interests and goals. Blogs can enhance your professional growth by increasing your visibility within your industry. And yes, it can, of course, lead to job offers, freelance projects, speaking engagements, consulting opportunities. And this helps when you try to pitch your branding, and also when applying for jobs or pitching ideas to your clients. Continuous learning and skill development is another area blogs help with. They help you widen your knowledge, broaden your perspective, and keep you updated with the latest developments in your field, and helps contribute to your professional growth. Blogging also provides a platform for self-reflection and personal growth. By articulating your thoughts, experiences, and insights, you gain a deeper understanding of your own ideas, beliefs, and yourself. This process can help you refine your thinking, identify areas for improvement, and contribute to your professional and personal development. Remember to leverage your blogs for personal branding and professional growth by producing high quality content, engaging with your audience, and actively promoting your blog through social media, networking events, and other relevant channels. I wish you all the very best.